I did not draw this. I did not animate this. I did not write this story. A Python script running in my laptop did it, all of it, automatically. And in the next 10 minutes, you are going to watch it happening live. From a blank terminal to a complete animated story. Before I hit run, let me tell you exactly what about to happen. This agent is going to jump online searching what's trending right now in the web. Pick up the story genre and write a complete 8-scene animated story using Claude AI. Then it is going to generate a master image by using Runway ML. This is also one of the leading AIs used to create images. So wait, what is the master image? Master image is the one image that contains the holistic or summary of a story in one snapshot. This master image contains all the characters, the world, the atmosphere, and also the persona of each character. That 8 scene images, one per scene, all using the master as a visual reference, so that all the 8 images will be created in the same context. And then 8 videos, each one 5 seconds of pure cinematic animation. I know I had the same face you are making right now. I checked if my laptop was on fire. The whole thing, story, images, videos, runs on its own. I just pressed enter. Stay till the end because I am going to show you the exact results live. And I'll show you how to run this exact system on your computer. Look, I have been making content for a while now. And the hardest part, it's never the ideas. Ideas are easy. The brutal part is execution. Script, designing characters, finding or creating visuals. Animations, that's a whole separate skill. I once spent 4 hours trying to animate a cat walking. It looked like it was having a medical emergency. Trust me, that was that bad. Although, honestly, same. That's months of learning or thousands of dollars to outsource. Most creators with great ideas never shipped anything because the production cost is just too high. I was in the exact same place 6 weeks ago. I had a story concept sitting in a note app going nowhere. 17 ideas, 0 videos, just me staring at a blank screen. And then I started building this. Alright, here we go. I am starting with a completely blank run. One command, that's it. I have pressed enter thousands of times in my life. This is the only one that felt like I was launching a rocket. The first thing it does, it goes online right now. It is using DuckDuckGo search to pull what's trending in children's stories and fantasy content. Not sponsored by DuckDuckGo, although if they are watching, hey, hi, call me. And now watch this. Claude AI is picking up those themes. But before it writes the story, it does something most people miss. It writes what I called visual palette. A complete character guide, appearance, personality, color palette, persona, world building. So every single scene, every image is going to match. No more, why does the hero look like a different person in the scene 3 problems? You know the problem, right? Scene 1, brave warrior with a red cloak. Scene 5, random guy with purple hoodie. You are fired. Now it's writing the full story. Each scene, each one with its own image prompt. And video motion description. Generated simultaneously. Story done. Now the fun part, it's about to call the Runway ML image API and generate the first image. This is the master image. Every scene image after this will use this as a visual reference. And it takes the master image and use it as a reference for every single scene. Scene 1, wonder and curiosity. The emotion arc is built into the story. Every scene has a specific emotion beat. Wonder, joy, suspense, fear, motivation, euphoria. It's structured like a Pixar film, but generated automatically. Pixar has 1,200 employees and a campus with a cereal bar, but we have a laptop with .env file. The output is roughly similar. 8 scenes, 8 images, same character, same world, zero manual design work. Images are done. Now it shifts to video generation. Each static image gets handed to Runway video models along with a motion description. 5 seconds of animation per scene. And watch what happens. This is the part where I held my breath first time. That image, that static picture is now moving. 5 seconds of cinema. From a single Python command, and look at the characters. Same design as the master image. Same colors. The consistency that used to require a full animation team is handled by a reference system. Let me show you what the system actually produced. This is genuine upgrade. This is your voiceover script. Read it yourself. Run it through ElevenLabs for an AI narration voice. Add your background music and you are at 60-second animation video in under 20 minutes of editing ready to upload. Let me show you how I edit. Import the clips into Premiere Pro, drop them in sequence, and the voiceover and the captions. That's literally it. No PhD required, no motion graphics degree, not even a good chair. I have open sourced the entire project. Link in the description. You need two things to run it: a Claude API key from Anthropic and a Runway ML API key. Both take 5 minutes and less than $10 to set up. I have attached a README that walks you through the whole setup. Virtual environment, installing the dependencies, add your keys, run it. If you can copy paste 4 lines into the terminal, you can run this today. Look, I want to be honest with you for a second. This tool doesn't build your channel for you. You still need to show up. You still need to post consistently. But here is what it will remove: the wall. The wall that stops most creators before they even start. The "I don't know how to animate" wall. If this video is really helpful for you, subscribe. I am building this whole in public. Please write down your comments in the description. Thank you so much and see you in the next one.